Look at you. Now do you think you can take some steps? Let's see if you can. Are you dancing? Are you rocking your chair? Can you say mama? 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 Can you say it? Mama. Aww. Can you say, I love mama, because mama is the best?
Los colores del arco iris. Rojo, naranja, amarillo, verde.
That was very good there, William. That was a pretty good ball. You're so good.
Muévete. Azul.
Come here, William. Come here. Come here to mama. Can you do it? Come here. Oh, I see. Yeah, that is an easier way to do it, huh? Yeah.
Azul.
You got it all figured out.
Rojo.
Dada, yeah. Can you say mama?
Naranja.
Mama? 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 Yeah, that's really good.
Rojo, naranja, amarillo, verde.
Look at this thing, William. What's this? What's that? Yeah?
Azul.
Yeah? Look at you. I think we got you on video walking. I think we do.
Muévete.
You got it. Yay!